you really like to search through a lot of tabs and do a lot of scrolling to look for the settings in the extensions that you use in Joomla? Yeah, neither do I. In this video, I'm going to show you a plugin that's going to cut down on all of that. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 211 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I'm also available to work on Joomla sites, short-term or long-term. So if you're interested in that, hit me up, tim@cybersalt.com. And of course, one of my favorite tools for maintaining Joomla sites is mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for your Joomla site. While you're there, check out all the tools and information that will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. And if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJoomla. You'll get your first month free. Okay, so let's turn our attention to the screen. We'll get right to that plugin. You're going to go to the Phoca.cz, or if you're in the States, Phoca.cz website, and we're going to look for Phoca Filter Options. So we're going to mouse over extensions, go down all the way here to Phoca Filter Options. It's a system plugin. You can read about it here a little bit. They have a few demo videos here, but what we want to do is go right to download. I'm going to install the Joomla 4 version. All right, and now we're going, there's the Joomla 4. We will download that. I'm going to save that to the computer. Actually, I already have it there from practicing, and we'll replace that. Yes. Okay, so now here we are in the back end of a Joomla 4 site, and we're going to go to System. We will go to Install and go to Extensions. Install from, hey, we're going to upload package file right down here. I'm using Chrome, so I can just drag up that. Next, we're going to go to the plugin manager, and we will filter. Already I'm filtering by ID. I have the highest number at the top. We will simply just enable that plugin. Now check this out. Let's go to Content and Articles. As soon as we go up here to the top right to view the options for this component, or this extension, you'll see we have a new field here, and you can now type in whatever you want that you're looking for, and it looks in all the tabs. So for instance, let's go over here to categories. Here's subcategory levels. All right, so I'm going to start to type up here sub category. Okay, subcateg is enough, and here we'll scroll down a few lines. I actually think this is not supposed to work this way, because in Joomla 3 you don't see these blank things, but that's it's probably something to do with it being new for Joomla 4. Anyways, but look, we can scroll down. Subcategories, subcategories heading, descriptions. Here's all the different subcategory settings you might be looking for. Let me show you how it works in Joomla 3. Here is a client site that uses Phoca Gallery, and let me, listen, I'm going to be honest. In the past, Phoca extensions have driven me crazy, because because there's so many settings and they're so hard to find. But check this out. Here we are, Phoca Gallery. Up here, I'm going to click Options. And now with all of these tabs, let's pick something here. Let's go to General Settings. Let's look for Google Maps. All right, let's say I want to find Google Maps. Instead of like, what the heck tab is it? We're just going to type GOOGE. It's already starting. Look, 3 things in all this extension. Enable Picasa, Google+, blah, blah. Google Maps API. There it was. I don't have to go through all those tabs anymore. I don't have to do a whole bunch of scrolling anymore, because Phoca Filter Options is a handy-dandy free plugin. Install it in Joomla 3 or Joomla 4. Save yourself a bunch of time. No more tabs. Well, a lot less tabs. A lot less scrolling. And that's going to save you time and add to the enjoyment of managing your Joomla site. I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a like. It helps others to find it. And until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.